Hello, everybody. My name is Ronnie. I'm CEO and co-founder of Novasight. Thank you, the organizers, for inviting me to present remotely this time. So Novasight established in 2016. We have 21 employees, 27 granted patents, 2 approved products. We raised so far $30 million, and we have 2 global subsidiaries, one in US and one in China. Everything that we do at Novasight is based on the eye tracking technologies. We're using 2 types of eye tracking. The first one is based on infrared sensor, which allows us to do eye tracking in any illumination settings. And the second one is AI-based eye tracking based on the cameras of the consumer electronics devices, which allows us to come up with software-only solutions. Both of these types of eye tracking are fast, accurate, and objective. We're engaged in 3 different segments of the market. The first one is diagnostics with our Vision Pro vision diagnostic, EyeSphere Pro vision diagnostic device. Curisight, our flagship for treatment of amblyopia, which is CE marked, FDA cleared, and NMPA approved in China. And on the pipeline is Curisight, is TrackSight for prevention of myopia. I'll start with the Curisight treatment device. So lazy eye affects about 3% of the population. This is the leading cause of vision loss in children. Left untreated, it would impact most of the quality of life aspects of the grown-up. Due to its being limiting, annoying, and hurting the self-esteem of the kid, it suffers from very low compliance of below 50%. In order to solve these issues, we developed the Curisight lazy eye treatment device. It's a home treatment. The device is getting the kid is getting the device to his home, and while wearing blue-red glasses, they can watch whatever content that they like over the internet, Netflix, YouTube, Disney, whatever the kids like to see. Now, while the kid is wearing the blue-red glasses, we're doing 2 things. First, we separate the content through real-time color conversion, and then on the strong eye channel only, we blur the center of vision according to the momentary gaze position. This is done only on the strong eye below the red filter. The size of the blur and the intensity of the blur are corresponding to the level of amblyopia and keep changing as the kid is improving his visual acuity. This solution was tested in multiple clinical studies and was found superior to patching in a per-protocol analysis in a randomized control study. The solution was launched in the US last year, supported strongly by the AAO, who actually changed their guidelines for treatment of amblyopia based on our study. We have more than 450 prescribing physicians by now, active in 43 states. More than 1,500 patients were referred to the program. We applied for more than 2,000 insurance claims, and we see consistent payments by some of the payers, and we expect a formal coverage policy by one of the payers already by the end of this year. In Europe, a small launch in Italy, and we are now working on reimbursement for the German market. And in China, we just launched the device on 3 different hospitals in a different business model of office treatment. Moving now to myopia. So as you probably all know, myopia is a 21st century epidemic impacting already about 3 billion people worldwide and expected to impact more than half of the global population by 2050. Already 85% of teenagers in China are suffering from myopia, and with every diopter of prescription increase, there's also an increase in the risk of 40% for serious eye complications at a later stage in life. There are quite a few solutions to treat myopia, starting with atropine, and then on the optical side, either special contact lenses or glasses, which are creating the fastest growing segment of this field. Now, on the myopia control glasses, there are 2 types of solution: either a myopic blur with a positive lens that's arranged at the periphery of the lens, creating a myopic blur on the periphery of the retina, or a contrast reduction with light scattering elements on the periphery of the lens, diffusing the light and reducing contrast on the periphery of the retina. Both of these solutions were proving in multiple clinical studies to be effective and already creating a $3.5 billion market in China alone, estimated to grow to $9 billion by 2030. However, they suffer from 2 major caveats. The first one is that there is a trade-off between the size of the clear aperture between comfort and efficacy. And also these glasses are removable by the children when they're looking at the nearby screens. In addition, pre-myopes have no solution due to cost, comfort, and appearance issues. Both kids and parents are reluctant to embark on any kind of a treatment before the onset of myopia. In order to solve these issues, we developed a TrackSight myopia prevention application, which is actually working exactly the opposite of what we're doing in my amblyopia. If you look away from the center of vision, you'll notice a real-time degradation on the periphery of the image. Now, this is done through an AI-based eye tracking over the camera of the devices, allowing us to actually work on any content and any device. This way, we developed what we call the DPD, the dynamic peripheral degradation simulation of both myopic blur and contrast reduction done digitally on the content. It is working, as I said, on any content and any device with potentially higher efficacy than glasses due to the reduced clear aperture, cannot be removed by children, and hopefully solving the unmet need of pre-myopes. In a recent clinical first feasibility study, we let a group of 20 young non-myopic adults watch a 30-minute content once treated and second time untreated, and we show a significantly reduction in the axial length, the transient response of the axial length to the treatment. The technology is patented. The next step would be real 1-year study on myopic children, on pre-myopic children, and it will be implemented as a wellness application, either as a downloadable app or pre-installed in devices, and creating huge interest in the market. We have a very strong management team and scientific advisory board, and currently raising our B round of $10 million, led by a lead investor, and we invite you to join us. Thank you very much for your time.